So them can't stand there. What you may do? Them go on. Go on. Now see I look good.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Alright, I know I'm forward to talk about a little thing when I see on the internet with Ryking King, surrounding Ryking King, you know what I mean? But before we go into the news, before we go into the story and the drama, I would like you to click the like button. Zane. Alright, you don't have to click the like button right now, but at the end of the video, definitely click like if you like it. But remember, people, to subscribe. If it's the first time watching, click the subscribe button and turn on post notification, so anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. So people, you know, say I know the normal video this me normally do, cause I normally just do a voiceover and whatever, but I just see it and I feel like say, yo, you know, we can't talk about this. So Ryking King took it to Instagram yesterday and upload a video him go live, you see me, and in the Depanim farm. Yes, people, Ryking King is a farmer. He's not only a Ryking King, but he's a Ryking farmer. And the man have quite a big farm, quite a nice farm. Him have a lot of catalog, meaning animal, a whole heap of animal. I mean whole heap of one animal, whole heap of different animal. You see me? But what more to say? I see some people, I say I don't have the comments them for sure, but I see some people are laugh and I say like, hey, my farmer X, Y, and Z. But is it that a bad thing? Is it bad being a farmer? Is it bad for me to say you are a farmer and a DJ, you have two different sources of income? So if the DJ thing not work, him still have the farming. If the farming thing not work, him have the DJ thing. Tell me what you think. A few months or probably a year ago, Flex, they took it to film Instagram and say, him a sell egg. And everybody on the internet, everybody and their mother take him to Papi show. Him a sell egg. But was those things a bad thing? Me not think so. I feel like say, yo, people can get up and sell egg if they want get up and farming. I mean, farming is the way to go, you know. The man I just want entrepreneur and I do what he need for do for feed him kids. And I feel like say we as Jamaica need to take out them full mentality out of our head. Because what? If enough of them youth out there kill people on road, you see me, and I rob innocent people. If enough of them they take up a pickaxe or take up, go buy 2 chicken, a box of chicken and say, yo, them are raised. And them think they would have so much crime in our country. You see me? Find something to do. So, I feel like say, we need to take out this mentality where we are look down for a certain job. One thing, you know, me as a youth, where I respect everybody hustling. You see, once you not sell you, or you do not low, forget it, or you not kill and rob people or whatever. You see me? I respect your hustling. Make care what you have to do. You see me? Big up your team. But the people when you sit down and a pre and next man things. You have a next set of people and then you sit down and them now go farm a goat, you know. Them now go raise a goat, them now go raise a pig. But what them sit down and wait till your pig them get bigger. Sit down and wait till your goat them get big. Them just come and take it away. I'll put all 50 goat in a one little pro box. Them people them not like Uno can go do the same to one goat I feel like $5,000. You can buy a pair for $10,000. And me I tell you, if you look hard enough, you can probably get a pair for $7,000. You see me? So you can go, people. If you reach a point in a life where you have to do what you have to do, you just have to do what you have to do. Me not feel like say, if a man is a farmer, somebody if you look down upon him. No, why me I go look down upon him? Oh, I'm telling you, say enough of them farmer you want to see, you know. And enough I want them with their Coronation Market day in, day out, every Saturday, Thursday. Friday, all I selling day them, weekend selling day them. You see me? And them look like, me nah say them look like poor thing, but you see them a butter and a hustle. Them have them big house a country. Some of them all have a 5-6 taxi on the road. Some of them have 3, 4, 5 house. Now say all of them still, but they what? Them a try and know say how them a make ends meet, and it a send them picnic to school, and it a feed them family. At the end of the day, and that all matter. No care why you're hustling, no care what you do. As long as you send your picnic them to school, you see me? You eat and you live good. Remember, in the whole of week, I go back at earth. You see me? And when we go back down in the earth, no care how much drill them dress you up in, no care how much fancy clothes them dress you up in, we body just a rotten and left them. Free body probably rotten and left the clothes them, left the drill with them, and everything round the skeleton. You know, have no use to it. So people, love the man, Rigging farmer, nothing wrong youth. Do your thing, motivate the youth, say make them know say them can go farm too. Make them know say them can go look work on a side too. Make them know say that if them not have the money, them can go follow specialists and sell bag juice and banana chips, phone card. You see me? As long as you not do want something all the days of your life, you know say yo, you start out with one bag of banana chips. By next week you go so booms and you have couple bag of banana chips. By next year you dabble in the juice business, and by next year after that you have one little stall or one little shop where you now walk up and down, and then you have one tool shop. So me like to see progress. You see me? It's your boy the AJ Chaddy now. I just a reason one and one when me subscribe to them. Tell me in the comment section if you like them video, but actually I see me and me I interact with Uno, or if you love the slideshow thing. You see me? Just tell me in the comment section what you think. And people, if the quality low, probably because me never have proper lighting, or I just did want to keep it real. You see me? So comment, like, subscribe, share. Remember, I tell you all our family member, them cousin, auntie, brother, mother, father, everybody. Tell them say DJ Chaddy are the one. I'm out.